Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Eleanor Chaplinsky. I'm a board certified medical oncologist, and one of the questions that I've been getting a lot lately is how to look for or find a clinical trial. There are a couple of ways. The first way is to go to clinicaltrials.gov. Now, this is not, I'll be honest, sometimes the most friendly site to navigate, but it allows you to put in a number of search criteria. So you can put in the disease type. If you're looking for a particular drug or a particular mutation, you can put in the phase of the study if you know it. Again, you can kind of tailor it. You can put in location if the study is currently recruiting, and then you'll get all the studies that fit your search, and then you can see where they're open and contact information for that site. And don't be afraid to then call. Usually that goes to a clinical trials office that can help you figure out if this is something that would, you can come in and get screened for and things like that. Number two is to talk to your medical team. Just because your particular site or your cancer center does not have a study, it is absolutely okay and recommended to say to your clinical team, I'm interested in a clinical trial. Are there sites in the area that you would maybe recommend me to go and get a consultation? Or do you know of any sites that have a clinical trial? I think so often, sometimes clinical trials aren't even brought up in the discussion, and then people assume that maybe that trial is not, there is no trial available for them, but that's not always the case. Lastly, there are a number of kind of organizations or disease-specific organizations that are focused on helping patients look for clinical trials, and there are too many for me to name here, but at word of mouth and even a quick Google search can help you kind of navigate to some of those websites. If you are in support groups, that can also be a great place to ask. But my bottom line in sharing all of this is to tell you that there are many ways to look for a clinical trial, and even if it sometimes feels like you're not coming up with anything, try not to get discouraged. Keep searching and have that open dialogue of communication with your healthcare team. Let me know what questions you have about clinical trials, and I'll hopefully be able to answer them for you.